How to enable two-factor authentication on Paxful. If you want to enable two-factor authentication on Paxful, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Paxful app, or you can also open it up on your browser. Once you're logged into your account, right over here you'll find this little pop-up that says 2FA not enabled. And since we were trying to enable it, we will simply select this option called Set up 2FA now. And when we go to Set up 2FA, a couple of options. The first is Google Authenticator key. So you can use this method if you always have a mobile phone with you. But I personally don't like Google. This one is much more secure. I will just select the email, which will send always a code to my email whenever I want to log in. I'll click on the activate now option. It says verify your phone number, right, as well. So I'll also go ahead and then verify my phone on the verify now option, and just making sure to go ahead and then making sure to enter my phone number, and I'll click on the confirm button. So first I'll wait until I receive a code on my particular device right here. So I actually have already received my verification code from my mobile phone. So I'll enter that and I'll click the submit button. Now once I've done this only, I'll be able to go ahead and then basically enable two-factor authentication with my email address or whatever else as well. Come back to the security tab right here, and again we will go to email and click on activate now. We will select enable 2FA. Here we can set up a few security. So you can just, this is actually compulsory, so you want to simply go ahead and basically make sure to enter this, and go ahead and then basically to enter this as well. And here you'll also be able to find other options, right? So once you've basically done all this, now you can click on the save answers option right here. Then we'll select some of the bio stuff. It says questions and answers are all set. Now again we'll go and we will select activate now button and enable 2FA via email, and now you can see enable 2FA for login, for sending cryptocurrency, or for releasing crypto. Anything else we can enable right here. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically enable two-factor authentication on Paxful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.